Alright guys, here I am with the GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's a bundle that I picked up that has several different items in it. You can see here that it comes with all these things inside, and we're going to go ahead and open it up. And hopefully this is the last time I record anything with just my phone. I'll start using this camera here to start doing some more quality videos. Alright, we'll open it up. Alright, so here's what's inside. We open it up, there's like a little thing to tear there. Open it up, and here's our camera, and then obviously some instructional stuff. And let's open it up and take it all out. Alright, here's what's inside. So here's like a little case, here's the camera, here's something a handheld thing to hold it with, different little brackets and whatnot. This is the headband. This is obviously something to charge it. Here's the mini SD card so that you can use that and then put it into your computer, just like on a dash cam. Like I'll post a video of the dash cam that I did here. Here's the battery, and so let's go ahead and open it up. And again, I'll probably follow, I will follow the instructions. I'm sure it's going to have me charge it for a little bit. Well, this was presuming it was already in this case, so before you put it in the case, you're going to go ahead and open it up like I've done here, and then put in the battery and the disc, and then you put it in the case, or you can charge it and then put it in the case and get going. All right, I want to show you real quick how to put the battery in. So you just slide this thing open, slide the battery in, and then right in there you can see that's the spot for the mini SD card. And then you'd go ahead and you put it in the larger one, and then you can put it in your computer. But then you want to, if you want to put it on some mounting bracket, there's this, handheld thing, and it comes with this guy here. And how you are able to get that to slide onto there is you've got to lift up this little rubber piece so that it gives way. You can't do it with the rubber pieces down because it's just too tight. And then you can attach this guy on here, and then add that screw in from the side right there, right? And then I'll go ahead and do that and show you what I mean. All right, so we did that, and we went ahead and again slid that on, and then pushed the rubber piece down. You gotta lift that up to put it on, and then we went ahead and put that in there. And now we were able to, use this guy with the camera. All right. All right, so here's gonna be the first power up of this guy here. So you can see that it's already on, and it's first time opening up here. And so we'll let it run through, and we're going to go ahead and scroll through each of the selections. So English, going to agree to the legal stuff. Yeah, let's turn the GPS thing on. We did the app, so we're going to go ahead and do the instructions on the app, but it's on the phone I'm recording, so I'll come right back. Okay, so once you update the app, there's a software update, and it'll show you how to control the GoPro from your app. And so you can kind of see the video from your phone. It's pretty cool. Recording, actually. But I want to go ahead and just show you, the quality of it. You can kind of run through a lot of this stuff. I don't need to show you too much. A lot of it's self-explanatory, on how you can control the different features and settings and things of that nature. So I'll just leave it at that. So you can see I do need to charge it a bit. It only has 20%. Excuse me. But yeah, it seems pretty cool so far. So let's, next video I'll do is I'll, record something with the GoPro itself once it's charged up, and, finish off this video and attach it to this little stick here. As you can see, it's already been kind of attached, and, have some fun with this thing. All right, here's the inaugural recording just on my front porch here. Just, I got a little bit of sun today here in the Seattle area. And just gonna kind of see how it works using the handheld device. And I'll just show you a little bit of the backyard back over here. Yeah. So there you go, the unboxing and the first use of it. I think it's much more stable than using just your phone, and so from here on out I expect that I'll always use my my GoPro here with the little handheld, and I'm gonna get some other accessories to add to it, suction cup and tripod and all that kind of stuff. But All right, I went in and changed the resolution because when I shot that first one, it was not great. So this is 1080. And so let's see what this looks like. 1080. This is 60 frames per second. So then I'm going to switch it to 4K, and that's a 4:3 ratio or aspect ratio. So we'll see what that looks like. All right, so this is 4K, and see what the difference looks like once I put it on here. I can't tell just by looking at the GoPro, but this is 4K. All right, guys, please subscribe as always and comment with any questions below. All right, take care.